Hey guys, so today I'm playing Roblox with my friend Ellie, and we're just doing this hard hobby. And I'm stuck on this level, I don't know why. This is just a short video with Ellie. I don't know what else to do because I'm bored. She doesn't want to call me. And she can't have a sleepover because she's sick. Don't mind if you hear me cough a few times. I'm just gonna tell her that. Ellie, I'm recording. Oh my god, you have to jump on the orange things. I didn't know that. Oh no, I was really climbing it. I'm working on editing this really good video right now, you guys. So, it'll be out soon. So, this is just my intro. I know it's a long intro. It's like, but you can see my cursor. It's like dotting, right? I think. Because I told it to dot, but if it doesn't, I'm gonna be mad because I want you guys to see this madness. Oh no, you're supposed to jump. I'm really far. I'm really far from Ellie. I'm on stage 500. And I'm still not even up there yet. I reached 100 with my friend. Oops, that's her user, by the way. This is her user, sub to her. It's in the link description. So I'm just gonna listen to okay, because Ellie suggested it.
얼굴에 그렇지 못한 태도 가녀린 몸에 쓱 가려진 볼륨은 두 배로 거침없이 찍힌 굳이 보진 않지 넌지 블랙하면 핑크 우린 예쁘장한 savage 원하던 대놓고 뺐지 눈물에도 칼로 무배기 두 손엔 가득한 fat checks 궁금하면 해봐 fact check 눈 높인 꼭대기 물 만난 물고기 좀 톡해 난 toxic 유혹해 I'm foxy 두 번 생각해 흔한 남들처럼 착한 척이 못하니까 착각하지 마 쉽게 웃어주는 건 날 위한 거야 아직은 잘 모르겠지 그저 원하면 test me 넌 불 보듯이 뻔해 만만한 걸 원했다면 I'll wait till I do it hit you with that 뚜루뚜루뚜 지금 내가 걸어가는 거린 Blackpink 4-way 사거리 동서 남북 사방으로 running 이는 버킷리스트 싹 다 버려 널 당기는 것도 멀리 밀치는 것도 제 멋대로 하는 bad girl 조금 싫어하고 누가 뭐라 하던 with a bass drop it's another banger 두 번 생각해 흔한 남들처럼